What's up, everybody? How we doing? Hello, 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 hello. Happy Monday. I think I'm gonna call for today. Just kind of looking for a setup, but I don't love what I'm seeing. So just overall market recap today. We have ES contracts rolling over this week, FOMC and GDP later in the week. PMI today 945. Plenty of reasons to be defensive. My pre-market game plan, market movement higher after intentional sell-off on Friday. 61.54 is serving at 60.85 from previous contracts. That was the level we rejected on Friday. Level I was monitoring closely, and I actually was in that trade long, and I actually got stopped out for break even. And if you look back at that video, I said I'm intentional, maybe intentional with how I'm looking at the 60.85 level, and we just came below it, and sellers stepped in and they sold the market down to the exact target I was looking for on Thursday. You know what I'm talking about? Thursday we came into this level and I'm like, all right, I'm looking for that sell off into this level. And obviously we got it, but it was an all day thing, literally an all day thing. This was kind of the move I was looking for on Thursday, but it came on Friday. So it's kind of a that's it's pretty tough entry. Um, I ended up actually it was a really good long right here. I think deep. So this is the 8:30 news. You were looking to play the range. Came up and yeah, that would have been the long was a good trade, but you know, this was the long I took on Friday. Long down here. Was in it for a decent amount of points, and then yeah. So I had a couple targets either direction. I did know essentially that. So 60.85. Yeah, 61.54 or 60.85 from the previous contracts. Essentially that whole level above the supply. Overextended move higher off the open or deep retracement, paying close attention to the structure of 15-minute delta, keeping it simple. And my observations 932, more than likely waiting on news. Sellers do look present. 938, positive delta with price moving lower. Looking at 61.30 for short targets, 61.53 for long targets. So I was kind of favoring shorts for maybe the first 10 minutes of the market open. 946, I said buyers became weak after news. If buyers start to reclaim interested in longs. What I was seeing, 945 news comes out and buyers got extremely weak. I think it'll be easier to see on the depth map. It's 945. Liquidity clears off the books. I was just noting that selling pressure came in and buyers looked really weak. So realistically, I want to see kind of a move lower, followed by a reclaim higher. Just kind of thinking that these aggressive buyers that looked pretty good off the open are just kind of put some seller liquidity into the market. We're going to look to take the market higher. I didn't really get a good entry or get an entry at all. You know, conditions in regards to the market, I could have gotten a 62 or whatever, but nothing, nothing really worth putting a risk on for, if I'm being honest. So we're kind of at the moment. Don't think I'm going to take any trades today. I think I'm just going to call it. Like I said, we have FOMC Wednesday, we have GDP on Thursday. So there's a lot, and the contract rollers on Friday. So lots of reasons to be defensive. And that's where I'm at today. So probably going to call it there. No trades on the day. Yes. Appreciate y'all. Take it easy.